Hello and welcome to Watches with a Woman. I'm Sierra and I am here to tell you my top watches that I like to ride while riding my motorcycle. It's been gorgeous here in Steilacoom, Washington, and I've been riding around today with my Omega PloProf as my #1 choice. Not only because the dive watch is so sturdy, thick, I feel okay riding it with the vibrations of the motorcycle, which is a big consideration to have. But I also love that it can fit over my motorcycle jacket or even gloves, depending on if I extend the watch a certain amount. So this watch can actually be extended because it is made to go to 1,200 meters underwater. Yes. Have I done that? No. Have I snorkeled between the tectonic plates with it in Iceland? Yes. But this is alone the amount that it can push out. And that alone can get over the cuff of my motorcycle jacket. However, if I want to wear it over the glove or over the sleeve, it does need to get pulled out even further, like it would for a giant dry suit. But I have had a couple of little sticky issues with getting that extension in and out. In addition, I love wearing my G-Shock. Big shocker there. It is a take anywhere watch. And with the little American flag here, it feels fitting to wear with my grandpa's Navy flight jacket from the era. So the main considerations that you're wanting to think about when riding a motorcycle and wearing watches is the vibrations and also the weather. So you probably aren't going to go for any sort of dress watches or vintage watches in particular. Vintage watches are going to be far too fragile, unfortunately, no matter how great it would look with a cafe racer style motorcycle. That being said, you can get something like a 1970s looking PloProf in the modern version. I think that another great choice is something like the Bulova Devil Diver. I did a review on this and it's actually a really gorgeous color, and I am a fair weather rider. I will ride in the rain or something if I get stuck out in it, but I want to ride when it's gorgeous and I don't want to stop. So, this color in the sun is so beautiful. You cannot wear it over your jacket, but I feel safe wearing it for the ride. I also love wearing any of my Seikos. This Seiko Samurai, it's been a while since I posted it on my Instagram, but I'm going to get some straps on it soon and start posting it. But you could wear it even on a fun NATO and then easily put it over your motorcycle jacket. And you can consider that it is such a reliable watch, but also, what are the repair costs? Are the Seikos going to be easy to repair? Yeah. Are some of the other watches going to be easy to repair? It depends. So if you're nervous about your particular watch, take a look online, see what the repair costs are, see if there's any information regarding any vibrational issues or anything like that. And of course, you can always go for something super fun like a quartz swatch. So I hope that you enjoyed this video on watches while riding motorcycles. Comment below what you ride and what you wear while riding. I would love to hear from you. I'll see you soon, Watch Fam!